Okay, this seems to be the golden spot right here. Oh shit. Oh, he got off. Yeah, he got off. This is rigged up, ready to go. 4-ounce slider pyramid weight to a 7/0 J hook with a snelt knot. Looks pretty old. We'll see if we'll break off. Hopefully not. Silver bait. We got sardines. We're gonna put them in this bag so they don't get everywhere. I'll bring a third rod with me in the car. I might go get it because I kind of have a lot of bait. Not too much bait, but I have kind of a lot. I'll cast these out, and if I get bored, I'll go get the other rod and cast that one out too. String. It's like plastic and super stretchy. And we're gonna wrap this a couple 100 times around them. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna wrap it like 50 to be honest. After a while, the bait gets so soft it'll just peel right off when it's out there. So we'll just rebait it when we can. But we're gonna wrap this a gang of times. Third rod, so I'm gonna slowly set this one up and find somewhere to put it. I don't have any more sand sticks, but I can put 2 sticks in the sand and cross them up and put my rod in between them. Something like that, you know what I'm saying? What is this? Yeah, it's gotta be a skate or something. Oh, it's a shovel nose. Oh my god. Dude, this has been my goal for my first one. Holy shit, this is what I wanted. This is technically a shark. Fuck. Oh shit. Dude, okay. I got a monster on here. Oh, I have a monster on here. I have a monster and I got one on. Oh fuck. I got him by the tail. Oh, fuck. Back to this guy. Okay. Looks like he's right here in front. Oh shit. I gotta get him this side. He's gonna run into my other line. Just fuck my whole world up. This is definitely a stingray. Damn, I had him beat for a minute. He got some energy back. Oh, you can see a stingray out there. Oh, some bullshit. It's not the guy I wanted. Stingray. Yeah, bat ray. This is either tail hook or he's a big one. He took off for a good minute. Oh yeah. Have you ever seen this out here before?
No.
Really? You haven't seen people fish out here?
No, well, we're just visiting from Northern California.
Oh really? Northern California?
Just south of San Francisco.
Oh nice. Absolutely not, dude. No. These guys, this guy's pretty big, man. But oh dude, he's massive. Oh, I'm gonna need your help with this one, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. The plastic line? Yeah, that part. Is it red or is it clear?
This is clear.
All right, pull a little bit. Start pulling in. Pull a little bit. Pull a little bit. Slowly. Slowly. You got it, man. You got it. Keep going. Okay, cool. Right there. He's breached. Exactly, yeah. So we get him in like this. We flip him over. So he fucking choked it. Damn it. Okay, I can still get it. I need the pliers. Way it goes. Cool. All right. You want to get a picture with you with it? You want to hold it? You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay. So you're on the phone. Okay. Cool. Perfect. So get in there. He's going to be heavy. Go ahead and lift him up.
Oh, that feels weird.
It does. I got a rag for you to wipe your hands. Go ahead and lift him up. Lift him up. Go ahead.
Is it really not going to hurt him?
No, you're fine. Go ahead. There you go. Yeah, man. Get it, man. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Boom. He's tired because we beat the shit out of him, so he's gonna go. He'll go in just a second. Look at him. Like a perfect submarine. See that little thing coming off his tail? That stick? That's the barb.
That's the barb.
That's the barb. So it's tiny. It can't get you. There he goes. Dude, that was cool, man. That was cool. Appreciate you.
Sure.
Holy shit.
I'm Joseph, by the way.
Justin?
Joseph.
Joseph, Matt. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Appreciate you, dude. Oh.
That was a really cool experience.
Dude, hell yeah. It's Dude, get another shovel. If I get another shovel nose, I'll be so fucking happy. Come on. What is that? Oh, what was that? I think it's a stingray. That little flipper. Oh, what was that? Sorry, I know the rod's in the way. Oh, it's a shark. 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 Oh, dude, it's a fucking. Yo, it's a fucking. Yeah, come this way. Come this way. Oh, it's a shark. Come on, baby. Come on in. We're gonna work him in. I think it's another shovel nose. Oh fuck! What is this? It's my Leo. It's my Leo. Oh fuck! It's a Leo. Oh my god, we've been waiting for this. It's a Leo. It's a Leo. He turned. Let's go. Let's go. It's a Leo. Oh shit. Yo. Let's fucking go. Holy shit, yo. I got my Leo. Holy shit. Look at him. Yo. We got another one. Baby. Oh, he's just a baby. Give me back, give me back, give me back. Hey, get out of there.
Hey Milo, take your... Milo, you can't have it. It's being returned to freedom.
Yeah.
Come on. Gotta go eat.
Four stingrays and 2 sharks. You got hooked bad, huh, guy? Woo! There he goes. Silky smooth. Oh, big dog. Oh yeah, we got a big dog. Oh yeah. Oh, we got a big dog. Oh shit, you can see him out there going. Oh, I lost him. Oh, he's back. Oh shit. Dude, that has to be a stingray. What is that? Fuck! What was I doing? Fuck, dude. Oh, another big one. Oh shit, another big one. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, he got the surface over there. Oh, that's gotta be another shark. Oh, it's gotta be a shark. Oh yeah. Oh, there's head shakes. Those are head shakes. Yes. It's a shark. Oh, whoa. Oh yeah, he's pulling. Dude, he's gonna cross my lines. Oh shit, I'm fucked. He's going over to my other lines. I don't like this. Hopefully I can get him turning around if I back him this way. Eggs, he's swimming to the side. Let's keep using my shark. Oh, what was that? That was a shark. It's a shark. It's a Leo. Not a bad cast. Take 2. Okay, so as far as I can go. Boom. That's not bad. Okay, we got another big guy on. This is a stingray for sure. Oh, fuck. You're a tough guy. I see it. Oh yeah, you're a tough guy. We got one on. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, did it come off? Oh no, it's still on there. Oh yeah, dude, we're on. Oh, it's a stingray. It's all right. Just gonna follow him down. It's a little guy too. Damn it. Got my hopes up. Okay. I got one, boys. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I pulled it. Oh my God.